Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Raj. Today I'm very happy because I got my iPhone 13 Pro. I ordered last week and just got it, so I'm going to do the unboxing. It's inside this box, so let's open this box and get it out. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro. So let's do the unboxing. This is not a review video, so I'm not going to go in details. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. So I have the phone right here. So I have the charger. The Apple sticker. This is the pin to replace the SIM card. And that's all in here. Yeah, and basically that's it, just the charger and the phone. Wow, that's nice. A lot of people are getting the blue color. I heard the blue is very famous, but actually I wanted to get the blue, but they didn't have the blue in stock. They said it will take about 3 weeks if I want to get the blue. Then I decided to go with this color, but you know what, I really like this color. Very fast unboxing because there's nothing much in here, just the phone and the charger. Now I have to set up this phone because I have the Galaxy Android phone, so I had to move all the information from there to this phone. This is 128 GB. Previous phone was only 64 GB and I always have a problem running out of space. Even right now, before I shoot this video, I had to delete a lot of video files, but that's why I got 128 GB this time. I won't be having that much problem. I heard the camera quality is really good on this phone, and I can see they have a really big lenses at the back. The safety first, so quickly I went to the store and got the screen protector and the case. So it's already put on the screen protector here, and I have the case. So second step, I had to back up everything from my Galaxy. So let's do that now. Move data from Android. Okay, now I need to download an app. So let's go to Play Store on my Galaxy. Move to iOS. Okay, I need to install. Okay, let's open that. Now I have downloaded it, so I'm going to click continue on both sides. Agree. Okay, so I have a code here, so I need to enter this code. Okay, so I'm selecting everything that I need and then continue.